What is going on YouTube? It's been a hot minute since the little update. Made a fair amount of changes to the truck. First and foremost, got the grill wrapped, got it black. Came out pretty well. It's not as good as the painted one, but that's in the works to get the sport style grill. Another upgrade I made was the Morimoto Hybrids. These things are freaking awesome. I'm just not a fan of the Morimoto XB, the one with the 4 bulbs. It's just not something I'm fond of. So I chose to go with the hybrid. Being that it's a hybrid, you use the factory halogen turn signal, and these are LEDs with the C-bar LED running light. Super easy install, super bright on that C-bar DRL. Another thing I did was, let me get over here where the sun's on it. Leveled it, put it on 37s. Went with the, sorry about that, minor interruption. Anyway, leveled on 37s. Went with the Carli 2.5 inch leveling springs, the Fox shocks, and the Fox dual steering stabilizers. Went with the 20x10 Fuel Mavericks. These were matte finish, but I polished it with Meguiar's polishing compound, then ceramic coated. They came out super clean. Really, really glossy, really clean. Ceramic coating, super easy to keep clean. Little something right there was done. Not gonna mention what it was. I use the VHT nightshades to tint the taillights and 2K clear to protect it, get that gloss finish. Came out super nice. Got the force scan, so I've been doing just a few things to it. Another thing I did was you lock it. They fold in automatically. Unlock it, they unfold, and I did the high idle switch. I think it's 12 volt solutions, 1200 RPM idle. Anyway, another interruption. I swear I'll get through with it, but anyway, lock it. Anyway, that's about all I've done to it so far. A little update. More to come. Oh, I did install the, hold on just a second. No Limit Fabrication Stage 2 intake. You really can hear the turbo a lot more with this thing. But anyway, y'all have a good one.